Hi again, this is Earl Hayden over here with Spine Rehab Specialists. Welcome back to Wellness Wednesdays. So today we're going to talk about another exercise. We mentioned it briefly in the last video where we're talking about push-ups. So this is the quadruped exercise, also known as the bird dog. So the standard position for the bird dog or the quadruped is a crawling position. So both hands are down, both knees are down. We notice the hips are right over the knees. We're not too far forward, we're not too far back, we're stacked right here, okay? So from this position, we're looking at keeping the back nice and straight, we're bracing hard through the abs, so just kind of sucking in to get just a little bit, and that's how we're gonna start this movement. Is we can add in an arm lift, we add a little movement, and what I'm looking for is we can try to reach as far as we can, so that's gonna give us a nice stretching sensation through the back. It's also going to help us engage these muscles over here on the back, okay? After we're comfortable with that, we can throw in a leg lift. So reaching further back with the leg. So we got a wall behind Chris over here. So we're reaching back as hard as we can. And you see right here, we're just doing alternating movements, trying to keep everything as still as possible. The way we can progress this exercise is instead of just doing a short lift, we can do a longer hold. So go ahead and lift and reach out. Do maybe like a 5-second hold there. That's good. Perfect. And just get out of the way so we can see that shot. You see Chris is doing a good job of keeping everything fairly still. There we go. Let's try to tighten this up a little bit. Try not to let that arch too much. There we go. Good. Perfect. Once you feel comfortable with doing the arm and leg lifts, doing that at the same time, if that's too easy for you, then next thing you could do is get into a bear crawl position. And we do that just by lifting the knees up off of the table. Again, the same position. The hips are over the knees. We're keeping the back nice and straight. So you can just start doing a nice little hold in that position. Once you feel comfortable with that, you can add in a little arm raise. So go ahead and try raising up the arm. Again, we're trying to keep everything as still as possible. And it's much harder, so you might see a little bit of rotation, but it shouldn't be anything too crazy. And we can also add in a leg lift as well. There we go. And that will really challenge you. But again, it doesn't take much to progress this exercise. So this is a great exercise that works on just improving core strength, learning how to coordinate between arm and leg movements. And it's just good for treating low back pain, learning coordination, and just building up the strength and endurance in all these muscles, and that can carry over to so many activities. So if this is something you would like to, if you need more help learning how to do this exercise, want to know more on how it can help you, please come over here and check us out at Spine Rehab Specialists.